We're going to take a look at the Agility Intelligence Suite. The Agility Intelligence Suite is made up of these 5 applications. The AI Interpreter, which allows you to bring unstructured documents into Macola on an automated basis and create sales orders, purchase orders, and other type documents without much intervention. AI Packaging is what we're going to look at today. The packaging application helps me optimize my packages, whether you're using Wisys picking and packing or maybe even Starship. The agent is a natural language interface that helps you interface with Macola just how you want to talk to the system. You don't have to be a SQL guru to get the information you want out of Macola. AI Fusion is our scheduling system, which is a whiteboard solution to drag and drop your work orders on from POP or shop floor and help you make decisions of what to run first, second, and third. And finally, AI Automation is an application similar to Event Manager, but it has the whole business library of Wisys behind it. The AI Packaging plan helps you pull together different items on an order based on the carton size and dimensions of each item and the weight, and helps you build boxes for shipment. Let's go ahead and see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and touch the packaging application. And there's a number of things you'd want to maintain, maybe box sizes. These are the different boxes I have in inventory. There's some metrics across the top to help you understand what's going on. But by and large, you're going to come down here and you're going to have a sales order or a group of sales orders in Macola, and you want to optimize those as long as they're going to one shipping address. I'll go ahead and touch that. I'll say import my orders. I'll pull them all in. And then I'm going to filter it based on the orders that I want. So I'll come in here and filter for order 1041. And I just click that box to get all these different items and lines that I'm going to be shipping. You can see here's the quantities, the length, width, weights, things like that, how much they weigh. When I'm done, I just proceed to the optimize. And now it's gone out and used AI to figure out what I've actually got to do. So if I look at carton 1, it'll show me all the items that need to go in carton 1. Well, it's a little more fun to look at the visualization. So now if I look at carton 1, it shows me how to pack carton 1, carton 2, carton 3, and carton 4. When you're done, you simply press the Save Plan. And when you do that, it writes out the data, and you can use the handheld applications to do some packing, or you can just print off something and give it to your shipping department and say, this order needs to be packed like this. At least they have an idea of what's going to go in each box, and they may just put it in there the way they want, but at least they have a plan to get it done in an optimal way. That's really the basic nuts and bolts of how to do AI packing. I hope you'll give it a try when you have a chance.